Today I am going to teach you how to change the background of this picture using the Picsart mobile app. So, let's start editing. First go to Effects. Go to Magic Effects Collection, and select the Flora effect. Bring the fade amount to 60. Go to Eraser. First select the person, and then invert. Save the sky and erase the rest. Now save it. Again go to Effects, to apply an effect to the land. Select the green effect. Bring the fade amount to 60. First select the person, and then invert. Save the land and erase the rest. Now save it. Again go to Effects to apply an effect to this girl. Select the highlight effect. Bring the fade amount to 85. Go to Eraser. Select the person. Look the final result. To watch more videos like this, subscribe my channel and stay tuned.